Assalamu alaikum everybody, Eid Mubarak. I hope you guys have a lovely day today. Obviously it's Eid today and the weather's looking not too bad. The sun is out today, so it's a good day. I hope everyone's Ramadan went well. I can't believe it's finished already. The time just flew this year. I don't know when it started and when it actually finished, but I hope everybody had a good Ramadan and I hope everybody has a fantastic day today with the family. Spring has finally arrived, guys. My garden's looking a bit not great at the moment. I'm just gonna get my gardener in the next couple of days and get it kind of ready for spring now, and my flowers are blooming definitely. My olives haven't come out just yet. It just needs a bit of more time and hopefully my olives will come out. And I'm gonna get some more flowers for the garden, because obviously in winter the rest of them are kind of dead. So I need some new flowers. I hope everyone's doing all right. I'm just gonna do a bit of not spring clean, but just a quick clean. I'm gonna go to mom's later, so I'm just trying to rush a bit, and I'm going to make some wings in the grill, in the air fryer too, to take with me. What's everybody else's plans for Eid? What are you guys doing? It's just family time, isn't it, guys? Guys, I'm obsessed with this Apple Watch. I've always had an Apple Watch. You probably see all my vlogs, I always have a watch on, which I'm really obsessed with. The Apple Watch, I just love it. I can't stay without it. I just count my steps all the time and see my heart rate and my movement, and obviously how much I stand in the day. It's just fantastic. But the best thing I like about it, they can change the straps, guys, because I'm so like weird in a way that I like to change my straps all the time. And obviously every outfit that I wear, sometimes if I'm going somewhere, to someone's house, to a wedding, to a function, to a party, I always like to change my straps and kind of match it with my outfit if I can. So I've changed my strap today. I'm black and gold. It goes in my Eid outfit. I will show you my Eid outfit once I get to my mum's house, the full outfit, hopefully. I'm rushing a bit now, guys, and so guys, ignore my Mendy. I really had a disaster Mendy. What I did was because I was working the day before, so I was working on the day, and the night when I came back I didn't have enough time. I just quickly done the Mendy and I just dozed off. I went to sleep, guys, and when I got up in the morning it was all over the place. So my Mendy is a disaster, but it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. It's still Mendy, isn't it? And it's still Eid, so it doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong way to do it. But yeah, you're gonna see my niece's Mendy and it looks so much better than mine. But just ignore it, guys. guys, don't have much time, so time was quite limited, so I just kind of rushed into B&M because Baji asked me to get some towels. I think one for mom and one for Baji.